Hey guys, it is me, EpicNet Coding, and today I'm showing you a tutorial on how to use scratch.mit.edu. So today I want to show you some basics of this program. It is a free online program. Just type in I'll just type in the link will be in the description below. So let's get started. So once you make an account and everything, at the top it says create. So I just clicked create and it brought me to this. Now what I want to do is, I don't really like this ugly cat, so I want to right click on this sprite down here and I want to delete. Now I want to click either choose sprite from library, and they have like a huge variety of things from it's just a bunch of things, so many things to choose, but I don't really like them, so I don't know why it's so slow. So I wanted to make my own, so I click on this paint new sprite, and every single time I say sprite I just want to just think of the juice. I have green tea next to me, but that's not good enough. So let's make a very simple stick man. Very simple, with a black head, and just this is gonna be thicker. If I want to make the line thicker, I just have to just make this the thing on the bar go fatter. That's too fat. That's pretty good. So then I just click and drag to make the body, and I want to make the legs and arms as so. Yeah, I'm just gonna make a stick man, a really simple one. We just have one problem. There we go. I can just drag my character anywhere. This is the view, the testing part of it. This is it tells you the backgrounds and the sprites. Sprites are basically the objects inside your game. Players are objects. Over here is the editing place, or scripts. Over here, costumes and sounds. Just a simple bop. I don't really want that, but I can just make the guy talk. I can make the guy talk, and that's gonna be in the scripts. We can make it so when you press, when you press the left arrow, the character goes does something, and when you press the right arrow, the character does something. When you press the up arrow, the character jumps. So I want to go to scripts, and I want to it's already selected down here. I want to go to events. So when this is clicked, when up here, because in the project page, over here, if I click see project page, you can see that there's this green arrow and this pause arrow. But I'm going to go see inside, and so what you want to do is, when this is clicked, you want to go to looks, and you want to do say anything. I want to change the text inside, so I want to say hi there. This is a Scratch tutorial. Okay. For 2 seconds, that's pretty good. So I'm going to click this, hey there. This is a Scratch tutorial, so that's good. We know that works. So now what we want to do, we want to do some animations. So I want to go back to costumes, and now see there's costume 1. You want to do duplicate, and duplicate twice. This costume gonna have these two. What a costume basically is, it's basically the animation of the guy walking. So what I want to do, I want to delete all of this, every single piece of it. I don't want to see his body. So he's gone, but don't worry, if we click on costume 1, he's still there. But costume 2, let's see. So we basically got the head. The head is basically the size of the eraser, a little bigger. So if we went to paintbrush, we know that this is about the size of the head. So here's the head. I just clicked, because it's so big. That's the head. Now we want the character to look in the stance that he's running. Oops. Oh, I'm using paintbrush, not line. Here, if you want to undo something, you can do this. If you want to redo it, you click this. And you can name it. I want to keep costume too. And you can just add a bunch of things. But right now, I want to focus on making the body. So, lines are not easy to use. You have to like make it exactly in the middle. Okay. Now, since we have the body set up, I want the way he's running to, so the legs are going to be like this. This is going to look horrible, but it's okay. We're going to have a second animation to go with this guy. How do people look when they're running? Well, not like this. That's horrible. When I run, I have my arms like a robot. One's down, one's up. Good enough. Once you'll figure it out yourselves, I guess. But so now, I have basically the simple animation of this dude. So we can be like this. So when we go back to scripts, start at costume 1, and we want to do events when, let's say, left arrow or right arrow is pressed. Then I'm gonna do looks, switch to costume 2. So now look, if I press the left arrow, it switches to that, but we don't want that. And event when, like, we want him to move, just making him look different doesn't really do anything. So what we want is events when, oh no, not that, motion, when right arrow key is pressed, then move 10 steps. So if I do this, he moves. Now this looks really bad, so we're going to have an animation to go with it, but that will be later. What we want to do is now work on the left side. So that'll be easy. I'm just going to do one very simple thing. Select and duplicate. And can I, oh no. No. Select and duplicate. Can I like bring it? Oh, that's just select. Come on. Do select and duplicate. There we go. Now if I bring it, can I copy it? Okay, I can't copy it either. Okay, I know what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to use the simple snipping tool, and I'm going to snip this guy. I am going to save the snip as stick. Okay, now I'm going to do this. Upload from file. I'm going to choose the file stick, and comes up right here. We have just one problem. See this white in the background? So if we, because you can see the dots. So if I go to I click backdrops, and I want to change the color to black, you can see that all this. So I will be back with you guys once I get rid of all these extra dots. Okay, so guys, I decided not to take off all this background white stuff because it's gonna take way too long. So what I decided to do is try it from scratch. So I just want to duplicate this. Oh my god, how did I just not duplicate it in the beginning? You know what I could have done? Boom. Just like that. I just didn't I forgot about duplicating. I'm such a fail. You can say in the comments that I'm a fail. I don't really care anymore. That's not fair. His legs are so small. That's the center. There we go. Oh my. No, no, no. That's not good. I haven't used this program in a while. So, I know how to use it, just it might take me time to get back to my senses about how to fully use this. I mean, I did a bunch of games on this other account. I still know like all the passwords and everything, but I'm not gonna tell you what the account is. So, I have costume 3 now. So, go back to scripts, events, when left arrow key pressed, then I want him to move 10 steps, and oh no, this has to be like that. So I'm gonna do looks, switch to costume 3. So now I'm gonna start. Oh, of course it's like a black stick man in a black background. It doesn't really work. I don't know. We'll just have this type of background. Oh, that looks nice. Nice for hurting your eyes. So let's start. We do this. Oh, I'm pressing the left. It goes that way, and it goes the right. Okay, that's not what we want. So let's go back to scripts for this. Move 10 steps. This is problem right here. No. Motion. How about, let's see, I don't know which one. Maybe turn. Should I turn degrees? That's not gonna work. I'm just gonna try this. So left key pressed. It doesn't even give a rotation. Restart. Okay. Point in direction. 0 up. What? That doesn't work. So maybe turn 15 degrees. Okay, that works. Good for doing stuff like this and then going forward. But still doesn't work. Let's see. Okay, we don't need this. We shouldn't have it anyway. Oh, I should do this, and I should finish turning. There we go. Okay. Oh, maybe I should do move negative 10 steps. So I want to do left. Aha, negative 10. That works. And I hold it. Okay. So we got the basics. Now we just need to do the animations. But that will be in the next video. This is me, Epic Net Coding, showing a tutorial of scratch.mit.edu, episode 1, signing out. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.